Is the next revolution in technology already sitting right on your finger? Everyone is waiting for Apple's next big thing, but what if the absolute biggest upgrade is actually the smallest device they have ever made? Think about it. It is not a new phone. It is not a new watch. It is not even a new headset. It is a ring. Apple is reportedly stepping right into the smart ring space. If this actually happens, it could completely shift how people track their health without them even realizing it. Wearables are evolving very fast right now. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy Ring and the Oura Ring 4 have already shown that people are moving toward minimal and distraction-free health tracking. We all know Apple. They do not just follow trends, they take them over completely. This Apple Ring is not just another product on the shelf. It is Apple entering a category that is about to explode in popularity. Think about how totally different this would be compared to something like the Apple Watch Series 10. There is no screen. There are no notifications popping up every few seconds to distract you. There is no constant interaction required. It is just a clean and invisible experience. That is exactly why it could be so incredibly powerful. Instead of constantly demanding your attention, the Apple Ring would quietly track everything in the background. Your heart rate, your blood oxygen levels, and your skin temperature would all be monitored continuously without you doing anything at all. The real highlight here is sleep tracking. This is exactly where smart rings absolutely dominate the market. Wearing a smartwatch to bed is just not ideal for most people. It is bulky. It gets uncomfortable. It is very easy to forget to put on before you sleep. A ring feels totally natural. You barely even notice it is there on your finger. That means you get much more consistent usage. Consistent usage always leads to much more accurate data over time. With Apple's massive ecosystem, that continuous data could translate into some of the most detailed and useful health insights we have ever seen on any consumer device. Fitness is still a huge part of the overall story here. Even without a display to look at, the Apple Ring could easily track your daily steps, your burned calories, your general activity levels, and your body recovery metrics. It could even integrate directly with Apple Fitness Plus. This would allow you to close your famous activity rings without ever touching a smartwatch. That alone opens the door for so many people who love Apple's health system but simply do not want to wear a watch all day long. Apple is not just thinking about basic fitness tracking. This is where things get next level. There are very strong signals and rumors that the Apple Ring could work seamlessly alongside the Apple Vision Pro headset. Right now, the Vision Pro uses advanced hand tracking, but it is still heavily camera dependent. Add a smart ring into the mix, and suddenly Apple can track micro finger movements with far greater precision than ever before. That means much smoother controls, faster response times, and way better usability. This is especially true in low-light conditions where cameras usually struggle to see your hands. The magic certainly does not stop there. Apple has actual patents hinting at gesture controls built directly into the ring itself. Imagine just tapping your fingers together to control your music, adjust the volume, or even operate smart home devices like your room lights or your living room TV. No phone is needed, no remote is needed. It is just simple and subtle hand movements. There is also a lot of talk about a built-in microphone. This could turn the ring into a tiny wearable extension of Siri. You could give quick voice commands instantly without ever reaching for your phone or your watch. It is fast. It is seamless. It feels very Apple. Then comes one of the most unique design ideas we have heard about. A rotating outer band might be included. Apple might actually include a physical rotating layer right on the outside of the ring. Think of it kind of like a digital scroll wheel for your finger. You could use it to simply browse content, control media playback, or easily adjust settings across all your connected Apple devices. It is simple. It is highly intuitive. It fits perfectly into Apple's core design philosophy. Battery life is where the Apple Ring could seriously win over buyers. Smart rings already last much longer than smartwatches do. Some of them go for several days, while others last close to a full week on a single charge. If Apple optimizes this battery properly, you are looking at a smart device that simply does not need daily charging. That means uninterrupted health tracking. This is especially important for sleep tracking, which is where data consistency matters the most. Getting the sizing right will be a very big deal. Unlike watches with adjustable straps, rings need to fit your finger perfectly. If it is too tight, it quickly becomes uncomfortable to wear. If it is too loose, the internal sensors will not read your health data accurately. Apple would likely introduce a proper and detailed sizing system. They might even send out a pre-purchase sizing kit to make absolutely sure the fit is spot on for every single customer. When it comes to the overall design, you can expect Apple to go all in. We are talking premium materials, multiple elegant finishes, and a stunning look that perfectly blends advanced technology with high-end jewelry. At a quick glance, it probably will not even look like a tech gadget. That is exactly the whole point of this product. It is meant to just disappear into your daily life. The Apple Ring is not here to replace your Apple Watch. It is actually here to expand the entire Apple ecosystem. Some people will definitely use both devices together for maximum tracking. Others will completely switch over to just the Ring. Either way, Apple creates yet another compelling reason for users to stay locked into their ecosystem. That is the much bigger picture here. This might look like a very small product on the surface, but it carries absolutely huge potential for the future of wearable tech. If Apple gets this right, the Apple Ring will not just be another wearable. It will quietly become the absolute most effortless way to track your health and control your digital life. No distractions, no glowing screens. It is just powerful data that works silently in the background. In my honest opinion, this product is going to be an absolute game changer for the wearable tech market. The sheer convenience of having a completely distraction-free device that accurately tracks your vital stats and seamlessly controls your surroundings is simply unbeatable. It entirely solves the modern problem of watch fatigue while still keeping you firmly connected to the Apple universe. I truly think anyone who values minimalism but still wants top-tier health data will absolutely love this ring. It is smart. It is highly stylish. It is going to force every single other tech company to step up their game immediately. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Ring? Are you going to buy one when it drops? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.